Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we will cook Murtabak Meggi. So here are the ingredients. You need to prepare all of this before starting cooking. First of all, you need to boil water for 5 minutes and put 2 Meggi packets into the pot, like this. Next, soak Meggi in hot water until it's soft. Then toast it. Next, you need to break 3 eggs and mix it with half packet of meat galash powder and also mix with 2 packets of curry powder. Then put the black pepper powder and mix it. After stir all the spices together with the egg until well combined, you need to put noodle into it and mix it all together. Don't forget to add the oil and wait until it's hot. Add only half of the mixture into the pot and spread it. Warning, always use low heat until it cooks. Next, when it looks crisp on one side, turn it over to the other side. And finish! Tips to make it more delicious, serve it with chili sauce. Lastly, enjoy it!